We want to give a special thanks to Just Play for sending us these dolls for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at Hairdorable's Big Hair Don't Care, longest hair ever. Y'all, you know I love me some Hairdorables. Those big eyes, cute facial expressions, and now they have 10 inches of hair. Girl, you better quit playing with me. I'm for real. It says it right there. 10 inches of hair. They were not kidding when they said big hair don't care. Let's take a moment to check out the packaging. It looks like a giant can of hairspray. On the top, it says Hairdorable's Big Hair Don't Care. We have a silver colored top. Right underneath, you can see which doll is inside. This is Rain. At Target, we have seen these dolls priced at $16.99. There are 8 surprises inside. On the back, it says Hairdorable's Big Hair Don't Care, longest hair ever. At the bottom, you can see that it includes a barrette, a hairpiece, shoes, an accessory, a brush, a clip-on, a doll stand, and a doll and outfit. There are 4 dolls to collect. Inside, we will find one of the 4. The dolls include Callie, Noah, Willow, and Rain. Here is Rain, Callie, Willow, and Noah. That's right. We have all 4 girls today, y'all. Let's start with Willow. Tape secures the top, so make sure to remove it so you can open it. That's a nice little platform. There is a little hook at the top, and we just pull it, and it spirals. Okay, let's go back down and zoom out. Take 2. And it spirals! That is so cool. The whole thing can be removed. We have a unicorn on here. And if you turn it, you can see Willow with all that hair. It says Start Hair. That's cute. It is perforated, so we're just gonna push through that. And we have our first surprise. Wrapped in a purple plastic bag. We're just gonna open that up. And inside we find a brush. It says Willow. And we have a pair of pink shoes. Here is the next surprise. It's a pink glitter microphone stand and a purple microphone, and that fits right into the stand. We also have a pink glitter barrette. Now we go back up to the top and start on the next little swirl, I'm guessing. Perforated. Ooh, we get to see a little bit of the doll there. And here is another surprise. This is sunglasses with a unicorn horn. Okay, it took me a minute to figure out what I was looking at, but yeah, that's kind of cool. We have pink glitter plastic with a silver painted horn. Go back up to the top, and we are on our last one, which shows us the doll. Hey there, Willow. And if we keep going, there is one more surprise in the very back. I think this is the doll stand. Yep, we have a blue stand and some instructions. Assemble the stand, place it on the top of the lid, take the clip-on and attach it to the comb, making a cute little keychain that you can take wherever you go. Here is the doll. She is secured in there with a few plastic ties. Remove them, then carefully remove the doll with all that hair. 10 inches to be exact. Her hair is pink and blue. It's kind of wavy at the top and then has a little curl at the bottom. The hair in the front is pulled to the sides and secured with a rubber band. She has a little blue sprout of hair on top, and all of this is pulled back. There is some product there It's crunchy, but not too crunchy. Her outfit is all one piece. It's blue and pink. There's a pink ribbon around the waist. Then it's gold at the bottom of the legs. She has a gold cape and a gold colored collar. Put on her pink shoes and her glasses so she can take the stage. When brushing the hair, there is a little bit of mild shedding, but that is pretty common with new dolls. The hair is pretty soft, and I'm usually not a big hair play kind of person, but I just find myself in here playing with her hair, so I don't know what that's about. It is pretty easy to style. You can just wrap it around your finger to define the curls and show off the longest hair ever on a Hair'Dorable. Can we glue these together to make a backdrop? Aw, it's off just a little. Get out your umbrellas because rain is next. Sorry, that was like really bad. Same drill, remove the top, grab the little hook and twist. Aw, her picture's pretty cute. It looks like she's in the mountains and she's dancing while it's raining donuts and butterflies are fluttering around. She's not dancing, she's ice skating. Start here. Our first surprise is shoes or ice skates and a hairbrush. Hers is silver. She has teal and pink ice skates and a blue beret, pink, orange, and yellow butterfly wings, a yellow, pink, and blue hair accessory, a doll stand that goes on the lid. Free the doll from the packaging, get her dressed, place her on the stand, and she's ready to go. She has rainbow hair and 10 inches of it. Blue, green, lavender, pink, orange, yellow. There's a lot of colors here. She has bangs. The sides are pulled back into a yellow rubber band. The hair is straight. It's easy to brush. Her outfit is all one piece. The top is off the shoulder. There are sheer sleeves, a ruffled skirt, little donuts on the top, and shorts. It velcros in the back, giving us the option to change her clothes. I think she's a pretty cute doll, and I love the rainbow hair. And don't forget, there is a beret that we can use to decorate her hair. Or maybe you can wear it, because in my opinion, they are a little large. What's up, Callie?
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh.
She has a silver-colored hairbrush, a hair accessory that kind of looks like locks. Place it on the doll, and there you go. Here is another accessory. It goes on the neck. She has a lavender-colored beret. Her outfit is all one piece. There is a purple ruffle at the neckline. Then it looks like a pink top, a green glitter waistband attached to pants. She wears pink and yellow shoes with a hot pink tassel on the side. Her hair is a deep eggplant purple with a lighter lilac or lavender on top. It is crimped. She has little twists on the top, pulled back into a green hair tie to complete her look. I love the idea of locks, but I think I prefer the doll without the hairpiece. The crimping adds a fun texture and the hair is still soft to the touch. Last but not least, here is Noah. We totally know the drill by now. Ooh, it looks like Noah has an underwater theme. Our first surprise is a pair of pink mermaid shoes, a gold hairbrush, and a belt, a beret. Then we have something kind of large. This is a very large headpiece. If you look really close, you can see coral with fish. Here is the doll reveal. Remove her from the box. There's a lot of hair there. There we go. Important tip. Make sure you cut all the little plastic ties before trying to remove the doll. And our last surprise is the doll stand. The doll stand can be hidden under her skirt. Personally, I really like that. I'm not a huge fan of seeing the doll stand. And I wish that the doll stands were clear so they would kind of blend in. Right out of the box, my Noah's hair could use a little bit of freshening up. So I'm just going to take a minute to work on these curls. All right now, look at those curls. Noah has long teal and blonde hair. There are braids on the sides, and the top has 2 braids going back that are held in place with a pink rubber band. Her dress is all one piece. There is gold ribbon at the neckline that looks like a mermaid on the front. She has mesh sleeves, 2-layered skirt. Then the mesh continues down and it flares at the bottom. Let's add her headpiece. The ends fit into her hair and there is a small comb in the front. This is a very large headpiece, but so far it's staying put. To me, these dolls have a very over-the-top style. It kind of feels like they're in costume with the mermaid vibe, gold capes, large headpieces, and butterfly wings. I really like Willow's microphone accessory, and it would have been really cool if the other dolls had similar accessories, like computers, cell phones, instruments, or pets. You know, something more than fashion accessories. But with this line, I do have to remember it's all about the hair. 10 inches of hair. That is very soft. I found it easy to style, but it is a lot of hair, so I would be very careful and gentle with it so it doesn't become a big tangled mess. The only thing that I am really missing from this series is a backdrop. One of the things that I love most about Hairdorables is that the box is a part of the toy with these fun backdrops for you to set up your dolls. And while we can stand our doll on the lid of the packaging, I still would have liked to have seen some kind of background included. But you know, the packaging could be used for storage. Overall, I think they are a fun addition to our Hairdorables collection. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hairdorables' longest hair ever. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Somebody